As a superintendent, I'm very proud of the work that all of us in Lynwood Unified have done to create an environment that is inspiring to our youth. We want to make sure that our students have experiences while they're in school that will open up doors in terms of the possibilities that will inspire them and make them believe in themselves in terms of what's possible.
When we talk about access, equity, and social justice, we're not just talking about the social and the justice part of it. We are accountable to prepare kids for college and career. And that preparation is bigger than academics. It's also about exposure. It is about opportunities. It's about experience.
I got to be a part of so many things, and it's because of the school district that we're in that I got these opportunities, whether that be speaking to the mayor or giving board reports at the district. Whoever you want to be or whatever you want to do, you have the opportunity to do that here, and you'll feel supported always.
One of the great things about Lynwood Unified is the academic courses provided. So there is a lot of opportunities given to you. I think overall it just really gives us opportunities to be ourselves and find ourselves.
One of the things I like about going to school here is that I have the opportunity to do something really big. I imagine myself being a fourth grade teacher because I want to help students the way my teachers help me.
It's just a really special place where we're able to connect families with resources and services. And Lynwood is special because the generations continue and they stay. Like you see the grandparents, you see the parents, you see the child, and then the grandchild. And it feels good when families come back and enroll their children in Lynwood Unified. That means that you did something right. If they're trusting you with their child, that's a good day.
I myself am a Lynwood Unified School District alumni. So I did preschool, kinder, middle school, elementary, high school, all in Lynwood, and the teachers for our school district are amazing. I have 2 children enrolled at Rosa Parks Elementary School. I feel that comfort that I know my child is being cared for, is being taught by someone who truly cares.
Coming to school feels like it's a family, like I'm at home sometimes, and there's a lot of love and community here, and it's kind of like my safe place.
It's just such a small community, very family oriented. The employees are fantastic. The community itself is fantastic. Children deserve to have a quality education. I feel responsible and obligated to give that to them.
I was very fortunate to have 3 amazing teachers at Lynwood Unified, and I want to give what I was given as a student and give it as a teacher. I want to be there for my students. That's what's going to make me happy, giving back what teachers gave me.
I want to be a part of the solution for underserved communities like Lynwood, for Black and brown students, and to really help transform the educational pathway and trajectory of our students and really change what public education can do to best support every single one of our students.